Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove AirTag battery. If you want to change your AirTag battery, then you need to remove the old battery from it before you can change it. Mark you, it takes years before your Apple AirTag battery can actually run down. So I found no reason why you want to open or you want to replace your AirTag battery. But if there is a need for that, then here's a video for you. In this particular video, you learn the simple steps you can use to remove or change and replace your Apple AirTag battery. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the Apple AirTag from the case or from the Apple AirTag bag. Once removed, then make sure the Apple logo is facing up. Then use your thumb. It could be right, it could be left thumb. Place it on the Apple logo and then rotate anti-clockwise. You get that? Like this. And once you let go the thumb, you're going to hear a chime from the Apple AirTag. Then remove the battery. So this is your AirTag. This is the battery. And then this is the battery cover. So if you want to replace the AirTag battery, what you simply need to go ahead and do is get your new battery, place it, then place the battery AirTag cover, use the same thumb and then to lock the AirTag clockwise. Then once it is locked, you'll hear a chime from the Apple AirTag confirming that the Apple AirTag is locked. You can now go ahead to connect the AirTag to your iPhone. So that is exactly how to remove Apple AirTag battery. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.